to raise families, leading children to live for the Lord. There are snares left and right and a battle to fight. The danger cannot be ignored. Godly men, we need godly men, ready to stand, their family defend. Strong and yet gentle, both leader and friend. Oh, how we need godly men. We long for the young to have happiness that will grow from beginning to end. But how will they see what a family can be if they cannot find godly men? Godly men, we need godly men, ready to stand, their family defend. Strong and yet gentle, both leader and friend. Oh, how we need godly men. Will you take your stand to be godly men, with the love of Jesus shining through? Then we'll send to the world God's banner unfurled, with an army of godly young men. Godly men, we need godly men, ready to stand, their family defend. Strong and yet gentle, both leader and friend. Oh, how we need godly men. How we need godly men.
I saw God wash the world last night with the sweet showers on high. And then when morning came, I saw him hang it out to dry. He washed each tiny blade of grass and every trembling tree. He flung his showers against the hill and swept the billowing sea. When God does the cleaning, you know he does it right. He made the world, he has the power to wash it clean and bright. From the highest mountain's grandeur to the humblest contrite heart, he is ready, willing, waiting to provide a fresh, clean start. The white rose is a cleaner white, the red rose is more red. Since Jesus washed each fragrant face and put them all to bed, there's not a bird, there's not a bee that wings along the way, but is a cleaner bird and bee than it was just yesterday. When God does the cleaning, you know he does it right. He made the world, he has the power to wash it clean and bright. From the highest mountain's grandeur to the humblest contrite heart, he is ready, willing, waiting to provide a fresh, clean start. I saw God wash the world last night. Oh, Jesus, please wash me, as clean of all my dust and dirt as that old white birch tree. And when my heart is clean and fresh, and finally I'm free, I live my life to tell the world of all you've done for me. When God does the cleaning, you know He does it right. He made the world, He has the power to wash it clean and bright. From the highest mountain's grandeur to the humblest contrite heart, He is ready, willing, waiting to provide